Fortunately, I waited to create these videos because now I can show you the new version of Style 3D version 8, which represents a great leap in quality compared to the previous one. Version 8 of Style 3D is everything you need to work in digital fashion and is available for free. You can immediately download the trial version, which lasts 30 days, and after this period, continue using it for non-commercial purposes. In the free version, offline rendering will not be available, which is a very powerful feature of Style 3D. But you can continue benefiting from ray tracing if you have a compatible graphics card. If you haven't installed Style 3D yet, you'll find the link in the description to the video that explains how to do it. These videos are not classic tutorials, rather they are non-tutorials. Here I won't teach you how to move the mouse or click the button, but something more important. How to establish an effective and high-quality workflow. The first two tips I give you are: change the interface theme to light to better view the viewport. This way it creates a separation between the workspace and the panels where the assets, modification parameters, and tools for interacting with the assets are located. Use the interface in English. It is more precise, direct, and reliable compared to other languages. I know it may seem trivial and outdated as advice in the era of AI, but it will help you create a more stable protocol when you have to use other software. You will find many other tips in the upcoming videos. If you have not installed Style 3D yet, click on the link below that will take you to the video dedicated to installation.